Looking to create razor-sharp knives, polish custom jewelry, or tackle intricate DIY woodworking projects with ease? The right mini belt sander can transform your workspace and upgrade your results. Compact yet powerful, the best mini belt sanders offer unmatched control and versatility for makers, hobbyists, and professionals alike. These tools pack serious punch in small sizes, perfect for any workbench. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Toovem Mini Belt Sander. The Toovem Mini Belt Sander rounds out this list with a design that blends robust construction and versatile functionality in one compact tool. This sander features a 15-degree belt angle and supports multiple attachments, making it suitable for knife sharpening, grinding, polishing, and even light drilling. Its 7-speed adjustable settings provide a range of operation from 4,000 to 9,000 revolutions per minute, allowing users to transition between delicate polishing and intensive grinding. It is powered by a reliable corded electric connection and driven by a full copper motor with double bearings that ensure high torque and minimal noise during use. Number 4. Physicisto Mini Belt Sander. Physicisto's Mini Belt Sander is designed for users who demand quiet operation and detailed work capabilities. With 7 adjustable speed settings and a 15-degree fixed belt angle, this tool offers refined control for polishing, grinding, and sharpening across a range of materials. The built-in motor operates with impressive torque and a low noise profile. Thanks to its 3-bearing design, it runs smoothly and stably, making it suitable for precision tasks like jewelry crafting or knife blade maintenance. The direction of rotation can be switched as needed, enhancing flexibility when sanding awkward shapes or edges. Its compact build and efficient layout make it ideal for bench setups with limited space. Although it is small, it is powerful enough to handle most workshop needs. With its medium grit number and adjustable speed, this unit is perfect for finishing touches and moderate material removal. While it may not include an extensive kit of accessories, the tool itself is user-friendly and durable. Number 3. Hikey Electric Belt Sander. Hikey's electric belt sander offers a streamlined, efficient design for those who need a no-fuss tool that handles everyday polishing, sharpening, and light grinding with ease. It delivers solid performance in a compact form factor that makes it ideal for home workshops and hobbyists. With a speed control range up to 7 levels, users can easily adjust their workflow depending on the type of material being worked on. Whether you are sharpening a blade or buffing a piece of jade, this unit has the flexibility to match your needs. It is powered by a 110-volt corded electric connection, ensuring stable operation without interruptions. What makes this tool appealing is its ability to grind wood, metal, or even harder materials like jade. The adjustable workbench adds precision to the grinding process, allowing you to find the best angle for your project. Number 2. BlissThrill Mini Belt Sander Knife Making Kit. The BlissThrill Mini Belt Sander is a close runner-up that shines due to its well-rounded feature set and excellent material support. With 7 adjustable speed settings and forward or reverse rotation, this tool adapts easily to tasks ranging from fine polishing to aggressive grinding. Its 775 motor reaches speeds between 4,000 and 9,000 revolutions per minute, giving you the power to sand, grind, and polish metals, woods, resins, and even intricate jewelry components. The unit's low noise and minimal vibration also make it more pleasant to use during long sessions. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this model is designed to endure regular use. For rubber pads on the base help minimize movement and keep it steady on the bench. At just 6.5 by 3.8 by 4.3 inches, it takes up minimal space while still delivering excellent performance. Number 1. Fang Mini Electric Belt Sander Kit. The Fang Mini Electric Belt Sander stands out as the best overall option because of its outstanding combination of power, adaptability, and build quality. This compact tool may be small in size, but it delivers big results across a range of applications. from knife making and tool sharpening to polishing and hobby-level fabrication. One of the biggest advantages is its 7-speed adjustment, ranging from 4,000 to 9,000 revolutions per minute. This allows you to fine-tune the speed based on the material and task, making it ideal for both coarse sanding and precision polishing. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.